enamorado doing naman a teleserye, di ba? A film pa rin pala. Okay.
Sa akin po, gusto ko magpasalamat kasi itong project na to, hindi lang siya milestone sa akin sa career. Kundi project na to, hindi lang siya milestone sa akin sa career. Kundi even in my personal life. Sobrang laking epekto nito sa akin. Nag-start kami, 40 years old ako. Nung nagtapos, 28 na lang ako ngayon. Kaya, maraming salamat. And the thing si Tito Pip in denial pa rin siya sa edad niya, kaya hanggang ngayon nakahikaw siya. And the thing I appreciate the most about this, the whole project, was the kindness from the bosses, from my co-stars, and even from the people, the audience. So, grabe yung kindness. Kaya, thank you very much for that.
Miss Judy!
Hi, good afternoon. I just want to thank, of course, the Lord for this project, for all of you, for the trust, for the patience and understanding sa pagtsatsaga, and especially dun sa relationships na nabuo habang ginagawa itong proyekto na to, because I always believe that life is all about relationships. And I just want to thank each and every one of you, and please know that I pray for you every single time.
Thank you. Thank you, Jules.
Tama yun. Sinabi mo na lahat eh.
Yung masaya lang po yan. Merry Christmas, gano'n.
Ito na yung walking ko.
Isa lang.
Oo, yun lang ang walking. Ano ba ganyan yan?
Of course, nandito na po Jody and Ian. Oo, thank you. And of course, Tita Nova Villan na na-miss natin lahat sa Star Cinema. And isa sa mga paborito nating new breed of box office director. She is no other than
we should only be able to help ourselves also to move on from that. And bakit ka nakatingin? Shucks, wala ako. Ayan.
And so
she is happy.
So amigo. So ganon. So alam nila na parang merong sexual tension.
Oo, no? Parang meron eh.
Diba? Sa mga eksena.
Actually, may sexual tension kayo.
Ito, is 1, 2. Ito, is 1, 2.